Good evening from here in London. So we've just seen the closing bell on Wall Street, and we did see all three major US indices finish largely flat on the day. So in terms of the price action, this is the second doji close that we have seen in the last 3 days. So fairly directionless trading. It is option expiry week this week, and it's also the third week of the month, which generally has a low amount of economic data coming out. So fairly directionless in terms of this week. So looking back earlier, before the opening bell, we did have the US initial claims and continuing claims come out, and this did show a bit of improvement in the US jobs data. However, after the opening bell at around 3 o'clock London time, we did have the US fully fed and existing home sales data come out, which showed very poor numbers there, and we saw quite a dramatic fall in terms of the stock market prices. So looking elsewhere in terms of WTI crude, it was fairly volatile today. It was options expiry day today, and this did see WTI crude fall at the NYMEX pit open and was largely contained below that $100 a barrel handle for the rest of the session. So looking elsewhere in terms of fixed income, we did earlier have the traditional note refunding announcement. This did come in as expected, and we also had an $11 billion 10-year TIPS auction, and this showed pretty solid results with a slightly lower yield and a higher bid to cover. So we did see a bit of strength in 10-year futures markets as they recovered from their earlier losses to trade in positive territory for the day. So that's about it from us in London. We hope you have a great evening, and we'll see you again tomorrow.